Ассалаумағалейкумдер, бәріңе сәлем. Сол баяғы мен сіздердің достарыңыз бұл мобайлдан түсіретін. Бұл видеоны көрсеткен себебім, мен алдында бір видео түсіргем. Ол видеода ешқандай лайкта жоқ, себебі мен білдім, ол кез интернет істемеді, сол катка болмады, в общем. Ал енді осы катканы 20 кило жасадым. Бұл менің фейсбукпен кірген басқа аккаунтпен ойнадым. Енді біреудің видеосын алғасын деген сөз болмас үшін осы видеоны көрген кезде айтып кетейін дегім. YouTube NNN 444 ол менің каналым, білесіздер, конечно. Сол аккаунтпен түсіргем. Ал бұл менің алдағы каткам көріңіздер. Менде қазір активності жоқ вообще. Видео түсіруге желание да жоқ болып кетті. Вот, осылай бәрін мұқтатқан. Сосын мені ойыннан лақтырып жіберді, лав етеді. Қайтып көрсем, уже біреу өлтіріп салмайды. Енді осы видеоға да конца лайктарыңыз басып тіркеп салыңыздар.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry. Cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way. The blood moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey,
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਰਗਿਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ slowly ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇਰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ the one and only ਆਏ ਆਏ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਾਤਿਲ ਬਖਾ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਵੇਂਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਾਸਟ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ a bit harder yo I'm a rider provider bring the heat girl I will bring the
club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love.
Nå helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør